Breaking news. FIFA have officially deducted points from Bafana Bafana for fielding Teboho Mokoena when he was on a yellow card suspension against Lesotho. The Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder is in the center of the saga after being fielded in a 2-0 win over Lesotho in Group C through the accumulated 2 yellow cards. Bafana Bafana were on top of the World Cup qualifying Group C, having collected 17 points from 8 games, and had a 3-point gap to second-placed Benin. And now they've been overtaken by Benin due to their 2-0 win against Lesotho being written off and resulted as a 3-0 loss due to the administrative error. Here is what FIFA says. The FIFA Disciplinary Committee has sanctioned the South African Football Association SAFA for fielding an illegible player, Teboho Mokoena, in the South Africa vs Lesotho match that played on the 21st of March 2025 in the FIFA World Cup qualifiers preliminary competition, thereby breaching Article 19 of the FIFA Disciplinary Code (FDC) and Article 14 of the FIFA World Cup 2026 preliminary competition regulations. Consequently, the FIFA Disciplinary Committee has declared the match in question to have been forfeited by the representative team of South Africa by a score of 3-0. SAFA has also been ordered to pay a fine of 10,000 Swiss francs to FIFA, while Teboho Mokoena has been issued with a warning. The parties were notified of the terms of the FIFA Disciplinary Committee decision today, on the 29th of September 2025, in accordance with the relevant provisions of the FDC. They have 10 days in which to request a motivated decision, which if requested would subsequently be published on the legal.fifa.com. The forfeiture decision remains subject to a potential appeal before the FIFA Appeal Committee. That's the statement from FIFA. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think? Should Bafana Bafana appeal this decision that FIFA has taken to deduct 3 points and also to fine them 10,000 Swiss francs? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. See you next time.